Hi, this is Kim from Dorothy's Daughter. Welcome to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. I've got a pattern review for you, but in just a moment. First, I just wanted to remind you that if you'd like to be in on the giveaway that is going to be drawn later tonight, go ahead and comment on Wednesday's video, and I'll put a card up here so you can click on it if you haven't done that yet. And I'll be closing that at 11:59 this evening, and then I will jump online sometime tomorrow and announce the winners. Okay, so be watching for that. And also, I am very excited that I hit 4,000 subscribers yesterday. So thank you so much. I was only 10 away on Wednesday, and when I mentioned it, you all just came through for me. And now we are over 4,000 subscribers. So that is just beyond belief to me. So thank you so much. And if you're just joining us, you've stumbled onto a great community of wonderful women who love to sew, and we would love to have you join us. So go ahead and click that subscribe button, and also that little bell, because what that does is it lets you know whenever there's a new video, and you don't want to miss the drawing results, so you might want to click that today. So a couple of exciting things. First of all, I am guest blogging on Love Notions today, so I will put a link to that in the description, and I am blogging about this same pattern. So when you're done watching this video, go ahead and head over to Love Notions, and I'll put a link down below and read the blog post. There's a lot of information there that probably will not cover in this video, so you're definitely going to want to check that out. Well, today, if you haven't noticed, I am reviewing the game day jersey. And also, this is Friday, April 17th, which means that it's Feature Friday. And so the game day jersey, along with my blog post this week, is on sale for $5 for Friday only, so today only. It's a great deal. It's a very versatile pattern. And I am going to get right to my review. I am wearing one. I did this yesterday afternoon because I wanted to give you a gift, and that is that I have created the cut files. This one that says "In This Together, Ohio," and also I have versions of that is not Ohio, it's for everywhere. So there's "In This Together" and there's "In This Together, Ohio," just because that's where I'm from and it's kind of a thing here. And then on the back, I'll show it to you here, it says "Stay Home." So that's my gift to you, those cut files. So if you, I will link them below, and they'll be SVG and also studio files for Silhouette. So I do not have access to a Cricut. I've never used one, but my understanding, I think you can use SVG files in the Cricut. If I'm wrong about that, let me know, and or if somebody would like to convert them to Cricut files, let me know, and I will certainly allow you to do that. You can use those on things for yourself. You can sell those if you'd like to, just don't sell the file, okay? Alrighty, the file is just for our viewers only. So today I want to review the game day shirt. So obviously I'm wearing one, like I said, and it comes in ladies, men's, and kids. And if you haven't seen the blog post yet, you're going to want to check that out. I'm going to show you a few pictures, but I'm not going to say a whole lot about how I did it. But my grandson is a complete football fan just because he wants to be like Daddy. He calls it oofball, and their team is the Kansas City Chiefs. So I made the tiniest Chiefs football jersey, Patrick Mahomes jersey ever. So take a look at that. I'll put a few pictures up here. He loves it, and I couldn't be happier with it. This was the perfect pattern to use for that. The kids come in 2T to 16. And EJ, my little grandson, is going to be 5 in June. and I made the 5 for him. So if that gives you an idea of how the sizes run. I wanted it to be slightly large on him because it's a football jersey, and most jerseys are kind of big. So they're supposed to allow for shoulder pads and stuff. It wasn't really as huge as I thought it would be on him because I guess he's growing quite a bit. But I did lengthen the body some because he has a very long torso. He's built like the rest of our family. He has a long torso and short legs. So I added an inch to the length of it. Other than that, I didn't do any alterations to the pattern itself, and how I achieved it looking like a football jersey you can check out in the blog post. It also comes in men's sizes, and I was fortunate enough to be on the testing team for the men's version of this pattern. So I did make my husband a Steelers t-shirt, and I put that up here so you can see it. Men's comes from, I think, extra small to 5X, and then women comes extra, extra small to 5X. So it's a very size inclusive pattern. And like I said, today it's on sale for $5, which is a very good deal. Even if you get all 3, it's only $15 for all 3, which is phenomenal. So, and wearability, it is extremely wearable. Isn't all Love Notions extremely wearable? I mean, I can't think of one of their patterns that isn't just as comfortable to wear as it is good looking. This is just, you know, you wear this. I will probably be wearing this shirt around here quite a bit. This is not super expensive fabric that I made this out of, only because it is a temporary shirt, because I hope we're not still doing this 2 years from now or whatever. So this is probably going to end up as a keepsake from this time, but I'll wear it around here anyway. But my husband said, well, how are you going to get that message out if you stay in? And I said, well, I'll be on videos, and I have Zoom meetings with people and stuff like that. So I'll get my wear out of it. But I did want to share that with you because it is an important message, and we can't lose sight of it. You know, the numbers are looking better, but that's only because we're actually doing this. So don't get fooled into thinking that it was never a problem in the first place, because it's definitely something that we need to stay up on. Keep on keeping on. As far as the ease of construction of this pattern, it cannot get any easier than this. It's basically, you sew the yoke together, put the binding on the neck, then you sew the front yoke to the body in the front and the back yoke to the body in the back. Put the sleeves in, side seams, hem it up, and you're done. Very easy. I made this in about, I guess altogether, designing the graphics and getting them ready for you, cutting it out, applying this, and sewing it up, I probably was under 3 hours. So it's a very, very easy pattern to make. If you're not doing any fussy stuff like I did, as far as cut files and, you know, heat press and all that kind of stuff, then I would suggest that you probably, if you're an accomplished sewist, you probably could get it done in, you know, an hour or 2, because it's extremely easy. As I said, the sizing is so very inclusive, and I can't imagine there's anyone who doesn't fit in one of the sizes of this group of patterns. So that is just wonderful. I am beyond thrilled that the sizing, Love Notions has expanded their sizing. It always was pretty good, like 3X, but now they've expanded, gone back and redone older patterns so that they're constantly doing that, so that it goes up to at least 5X in ladies, which is just wonderful. And I have been fortunate enough to test for them, and a lot of their patterns are coming now. The newer ones are going to have the extended sizings, but they're going back and they're redoing some. Right now, I am involved in the Rhapsody, which is going to release very soon, so stay tuned for that. They went ahead and did the extended sizing for the Rhapsody, and that's coming really soon. As far as fabrics, you can use anything you want. I mean, any knit that has a decent amount of stretch will work. You can dress it up. You can do 2 different fabrics. You can color block. You can add whatever message you want onto this, whatever you'd like to do. If you've got a favorite team, you certainly can make it all about them. I did find the football jersey mesh, and that I gave the link on the blog post for Love Notions, so check that out. It was difficult to find, but I did find it. And you can use cotton lycra, you can use any old jersey. This is very inexpensive jersey, just happened to be washed. I used my cover stitch on the hems and top stitching, so that was new. I think that's the third time I've used it for something. But anyway, that is the game day shirt, and I am sharing these cut files with you today. So if you'd like to download them, I'm going to put a link to them. They actually are going to reside on my Google Drive. I'm hoping this works, that you can download them okay, and feel free to use them. You may sell garments with that file. I don't mind that at all, but please do not share the file itself with anyone or sell the file. Okay, that is for our group only. And I did go ahead and make one that is not Ohio. It's just a general, in this together for everybody. So there's 3 files. There's the Stay Home, the In This Together Ohio, and the In This Together. So feel free to download and use those. That's my gift to you, my encouragement to you. All you sewing mask warriors out there, keep going. I did just a few yesterday. I'm telling you what, that is the most monotonous sewing, and I just don't know how you guys are doing it. I've made probably 35 of them, and it's just not fun. I love to sew, but it is really not fun, and I would totally be joining you if it weren't for the fact that I have a lot on my plate already. This virus has made me really busy, and my other hat that I wear is worship director at our church, and since I have a YouTube channel, I'm the person who knows how to put things online, so that has made me very busy. So this is just going to be a short one today, and then I'll be back sometime tomorrow with the results of the giveaway. Please go ahead and go back to Wednesday's video and comment if you have not done it. A lot of people have done that already, but if you haven't had a chance, now's your chance. At 11:59 tonight, I will be numbering the comments and doing the drawing, and then tomorrow I will announce the winner. Okay? So anything posted after 11:59 this evening will not count as an entry for the giveaway. I don't want to turn commenting off because I want people to be able to ask questions if they want to, but anything that's posted after 11:59. All right. I hope you have a wonderful Friday. I wanted to get out to you short, quick, and early today because I wanted you to take advantage of that sale over on Love Notions. So have a wonderful day. Next week I plan on, I have 2 things I'd like to do. I still have the Itch to Stitch Indie Focus for you. I may have another pattern to review for you as well. And also, a couple people have asked me how I do my fashion sketch drawings and a little bit about my body model, which I love. I went ahead and bought my croquis from them, and that's what I use when I draw out my designs. So I thought what I would do is show you what was included in when I purchased it and how I took that and got to my model, because I did do a few things to it to give it my color hair and all those things, which is very easy to do. And so I will show you how I did all that and how I'll just demonstrate a fashion sketch to you, and maybe it'll be something then that you would like to do. So a couple people asked me, so I thought I would just demonstrate that. So that will be coming sometime next week as well. And I don't know, what's on your cutting table today? This was on my cutting table yesterday. I haven't started anything yet today because it's early. But I think I'm going to be working on my final version of the Rhapsody top for the testing, and you'll be seeing that next week as well. Also, be sure Sunday evening at 4 p.m. to tune in on my very first YouTube live session and bring your questions. We're going to hang out. I have never done this before, so I'm going to plead ignorance if you'll bear with me. But I want to try it. I feel like any kind of connection we can have with other people right now is so important. So I would really love to connect with all of you. So join me and we'll hang out. Bring your questions. I'll answer questions. Maybe we'll sew a little. I don't know. We'll just see where the evening takes us. It'll probably be from 4 to 6. You can pop in and out as much as you like, and we would love to have you. So at 4 p.m., grab your cup of coffee, glass of wine, Diet Pepsi. That'll probably be what I have, is a Diet Pepsi. But whatever it is that your beverage of choice, and grab your phone or iPad or computer and join in the fun. So have a wonderful Friday. I will see you Sunday evening, and also tomorrow I'll pop on for a really quick video to give you the results of the giveaway. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Happy sewing.